So hi everyone, this will be a fast tutorial on how you can create custom two-way bindings in Angular. As an example, I have created this color picker, and on changes it's changing this value also. So let's see in the HTML element how I set up. This is app component with the color binding and binded with this notification background color value, and in here I'm showing it, and it's and you can see it in here. And let's see how I set up the component. So I initialize this string value, and here I'm just returning this value. So this is the binding color, and on get it will return this value. It works like this. When I create, when it's run, when this HTML is run, then it will set up this with this get function, with this get color function. And when I change this value in this component, it will run this set color function. And in the set color function, it will get the value, which will be this value, and it will set this color string to that value and emit changes, and this will change this this will emit the changes. So yeah, and when you change value in this component, you have to also emit changes, and you can do it like this. You have to like declare this output color change event emitter, and pass the changed value, and I'm just passing this generate RGB value, which returns string. And yeah, that's it. And you should have working and two-way custom two-way binding. So if something was not understandable, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to explain it. So thank you. See you guys in the next video.